Have you ever had a dream where you're having sex? It can feel strange, confusing, or even worrying, especially if it's with a stranger, your real partner, or it happens just before a big breakthrough. Spiritually, sex in the dream is about covenant and exchange. If it's with a stranger, it's usually a warning pointing to spiritual attack, unhealthy ties, or attempt to drain your strength and delay progress. If it's with your real partner, it can mean unity, agreement, or simply a reflection of your bond. But if the dream felt strange or troubling, it may be a warning that forces are trying to create arguments, distance, or division in your relationship. And sometimes, people notice this dream shows up right before a breakthrough. In that case, it can signal spiritual interference and attempt to weaken your focus or block the blessings that's on the way. Psychologically, sex dreams often comes from your mind processing emotions. With a stranger, it can reflect hidden desires or stress. With your partner, it may simply replay your real connection. If it happens when you are waiting for something important, it could just be your subconscious releasing pressure and anxiety. Now, how do you know which one applies? If the dream felt dark, draining, or always repeating around breakthroughs, lean towards the spiritual meaning. It's likely a warning. If the dream was neutral or linked to real emotion, it may just be psychological. Pay attention to how you felt when you woke up. If you felt calm or at peace, the dream is likely just a reflection. But if you woke up feeling heavy, disturbed, or guilty, that's a strong sign of spiritual interference. So, what should you do? If the dream felt wrong or heavy, pray for cleansing. Break any negative ties and cover your breakthrough with prayer. Stand on scriptures like Isaiah chapter 54 verse 17. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. If it keeps repeating, fasting with prayer brings more strength. If it was with your partner and left you at peace, thank God for unity and keep building love and trust. If it was neutral or stress related, keep your mind clean before sleep, reduce stress, and avoid triggers that stir up sexual thoughts. And in all cases, remember, your dreams are messages. Once you understand them, you can respond with wisdom instead of fear. So, yes, sex dreams can be warnings, reflections, or even attacks before a breakthrough. The key is discernment. Don't ignore them. Pay attention, pray, and protect your destiny. That's all for this video. In the next one, I'll be sharing another powerful dream meaning you don't want to miss. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel and like the video and tell me in the comments what dream should I interpret